Hi, my name's Deneen, and today we're going to be diving into secrets of the 8th house. I'm an astrologer and I teach people the psychology behind marketing. So, let's get started. Sun in the 8th house. You must acknowledge your ego, really. Must acknowledge your personal unconsciousness. So things that you have went through that have been traumatic to you, or things that you have went through that have really been very impactful on your life. You must acknowledge these things and you have to address them head on, okay? Because the sun is here and it's sitting in the 8th house, which is our personal unconsciousness. Your ego and the way that you truly feel about it might be hidden from you. And you have to really dig into this because the 8th house is a really deep and transformative house, okay? Moon in the 8th house. You must transform your subconscious mind and your emotional reactions. How do you do this? You can do this through things like subliminals. You can even do this with binaural beats, but you want to use mantras, sound, frequency, vibration to really dig into your subconsciousness. But you can also see what sign is sitting there so that you can understand more about how it is you can use your transformative powers. Mercury in the 8th house. You must moderate and really be discerning with the information that you intake from others and information that you link yourself to. So the people that you link yourself to, such as conversations that you have with people and things that you entertain through either scrolling on your phone, scrolling on your phone, or even just through you and your friend having a conversation that really doesn't pertain to anything that's going to benefit you, okay? This is about you being very careful and very specific about what the mind is intaking in with Mercury in the 8th house, because the mind likes to dig into things very deeply with Mercury in the 8th house. Venus in the 8th house. You must share and merge values with those around you, either through partnership or through you guys knowing each other and you having the same morals and the same values. Venus in the 8th house also speaks to you being able to really dig into self-care and really dig into what it is that is transformative about how you care for yourself. And wherever Venus has their sign, or wherever Venus is sitting in by sign, wherever Venus is sitting by sign is going to tell you more about how you transform. Mars in the 8th house. Mars in the 8th house is you having to really step up and assert yourself and really take the lead when it comes to facing your fears and when it comes to facing what it is in your life that you need to transform in order for you to come into the character that you really want to be. Jupiter in the 8th house is about faith, religious practice, philosophy, and very much the formation of your character, because Jupiter in the 8th house is about things we wouldn't usually talk about and having information, a lot of knowledge about those areas of life that people wouldn't usually get into. We consider it taboo. So with Jupiter being here, you really want to open yourself up and be open-minded with how it is that you're seeing life, or how it is that you're philosophizing your life, your philosophy on life, so that you're able to really transform your view. And Jupiter speaks of moral ethics and values that we have in a spiritual sense and on a spiritual level. So that will be transformed as well, okay? And that will transform your character. Saturn in the 8th house is all about becoming aware of karma and limitations at its root, so that you learn the lesson and you're able to really transform your life. Because once you understand where these are all stemming from, you're going to be able to structure your life completely differently. And this is the transformation, and this is where you gain your power from the structure that you're able to make from knowing your limitations. It makes you stronger, okay? With Saturn in the 8th house. Neptune in the 8th house. The personal unconsciousness is receptive and also very much influenced. It can have a lot of psychic influences that come to it, but also it can have a lot of other influences that come to it, depending on where Pisces is sitting in the chart. Okay? So, with Neptune in the 8th house, you want to dig into a lot of music, a lot of things that deal with imagery, okay? Because for you, images is quite strong, so imagery can actually transform you. So you might want to get into actually drawing, painting, making your own creative works of art, all right? With Neptune in the 8th house, it will really transform you and bring you power. Uranus in the 8th house, it's all about tapping into your own system and your own process that is authentic to you. And this is how you're going to find that transformation, because Uranus is an offbeat energy. It's not an energy that's usually, okay, found here. And when I say found here, it's not common, but with Pluto and Aquarius, quite a lot of things are changing. But Uranus in the 8th house, this is a system or a process that you have inherently in you that you're going to want to tap into, okay? And this deals with your own authenticity, how you go about things, how you do things. That is going to bring a lot into you. It's going to bring a lot of power to you if you walk into it and if you really claim it as yours, okay? Pluto in the 8th house. Pluto in the 8th house is all about you coming face to face with yourself. And this involves you very much focusing on characteristics about yourself that you don't like, or things that do not benefit you, and what you have to do away with in order for you to really transform how it is that you see yourself, the overall ego image that you have here. And Pluto being in your 8th house speaks to rituals such as meditation, yoga, even mantras that you can listen to that are very much going to alter the state of your subconscious mind and alter your consciousness so that you can get more in tune with yourself and the deeper layers of yourself. So this is really good for transformation with Pluto in the 8th house. If you liked, make sure that you like and make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out. And if you want to learn more about yourself, make sure you click the link down in the description box. Msha.ke is hosting a free giveaway for all New York City boss ladies. If you would like to enter, see the instructions below. And we're hosting a new Astro-Marketing class. If you would like to learn more about yourself and how you can transform, make sure you click the link below so you don't miss out. Bye.